When I started my trips, I just wanted to be crazy and cheap and sleep anywhere.
Here we are in the chapel at Tampa International Airport, and I even found a blanket.
I always wanted to maximize the time there, so I woke up early like this every day. Started where not everyone would normally go. When I did excursions, it was tough but relatively memorable and exciting.
Follow me on a journey 4 more miles to the airport, and then I fly home.
I feel inspired when I walk, even if it's hard. It's just kind of a weird thing just to go on an adventure through the industrial district of Nashville.
Found a turtle. This is my lunch spot.
And of course, I had to travel the day trip, go somewhere and come back at night. Even traveling, even though it can be tough, there's just so much different about it, and I felt always inspired that when you have your health, you can do so much more than you can begin to imagine as one who does not have their health. After a while, it got old for me, always having to come back to work after travel. So there was something about going to Mexico that brought me into a new state of mind. I met friends for once, which was very surprising to me. I didn't think I was capable of meeting truly amazing people. Now I have friends all over the world. The most memorable part are the people that I meet. Hola,
Hola, buongiorno.
We went to a concert one night and danced until 4:30 a.m. And I even started to manifest my future. Okay, this is our co-working space. And maybe in 10 years, or 5, or 2, or 1, this will be part of your life, so you just take a good look. Wonderful.
For the time, it's okay, but when you get out of that, it really hurts.
You're 19, we are 25, just live your life. Because I look back and I see some regrets, like why didn't I take advantage on that age? If you were to sell me 6 more years of my life, I would buy it for 2,000 euros. And you have that for free. Yeah, you have that for free. You have 6 years more than I have.
And so that's what I've been doing, traveling and exploring. And towards the end of the trips, it started to get more precious. I started to cherish them more and just remember the great part. I was really lucky to meet all those people and make those memories with my family. And it's not over. In April, I was manifesting this place, and now I'm here working.